Hello guys, it's Asma and today we are drawing a beautiful, a cute and a handsome boy brushing her teeth. So let's start. Ooh. Enjoy the little moments of the emojis. First we draw the teeth, shape of the teeth. Oh, it's so cute. Slowly, we will draw the shape of teeth. It's so cute.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Now we started to draw the head of the boy. Little cute boy, he's so cute and cool. We will use a black marker to highlight the parts. The cute little eyes.
Gentle folks about him, they say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle band.
If you are new here, please subscribe my channel.
The girls be handy.
The small little nose and mouth. Whoa! The glasses are so cute. Then we draw a hand holding a brush.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and
His clothes,
Yankee Doodle, keep it
shirt,
up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
and little buttons. Then we draw the cute pen with shoes. I hope you're enjoying the video. Now we start to draw the cute toothbrush.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
The ears. Oh, the fish is so nice, moving. Wow, yummy cake.
Father and I went down to camp along with
I hope you're enjoying the video, guys.
there we saw the
Please subscribe my channel. I again telling you that.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the
Now let's paint. We will start to make with blue color, some blue color, and instead of white, because white is not so prominent. The blue is so good.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Golden hairs. Then we paint golden hairs.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step,
Then we use green color.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a
Now
bird
it's
on
time to
his chin and
paint
called him
the trouser.
macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle,
We will
dandy.
use
Mind the
red
music
color.
and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle, dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so
We will
fond and proud
use
he will
yellow
not ride
color.
without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle, dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Seriously guys, I really love it. I hope that you also love it. Now the drawing is ready and it looks so gorgeous and beautiful. It's so little cute boy.
Yankee Doodle
Thank you so
went to
much.
town
Hope you
riding
guys
on a
like it.